What is a cross-platform way to get the home directory? I need to get the location of the home directory of the current logged on user. Currently, I've been using the following on Linux. However, this does not work on Windows. What is the correct cross-platform way to do this?
You want to use os.path.expand user? This will ensure it works on all platforms. If you're on Python 3.5+, you can use pathlib.path.home. But it's usually better not to convert path.home to string. It's more natural to use this way.
I found that pathlib module also supports this.
I know this is an old thread, but I recently needed this for a large-scale project, Python 3.8. It had to work on any mainstream OS, so therefore I went with the solution that Max wrote in the comments. Code. Output Windows. Output Linux, Ubuntu. I also tested it on Python February 7/17 and that works too.
This can be done using pathlib, which is part of the standard library, and treats paths as objects with methods, instead of strings. Path.expand user. Path.home.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.